Welcome back to another video from your friends here at Altitude University. Today we're going to talk about one of the requirements every commercial drone pilot must follow to keep their certification current. Stick around and we'll show you everything you need to know about the recurrent training required by the FAA. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. The FAA requires all Part 107 certified remote pilots to participate in recurrent training every 24 months. This requirement is in place to ensure that pilots maintain a high level of knowledge and are aware of any changes in regulations or best practices. Unlike the initial certification, which involves passing a comprehensive knowledge test, the recurrent training is focused on refreshing and updating your knowledge. The training and tests are both online and free. Here are the steps we recommend to follow for staying current with recurrent training. Step 1. Know when your recurrent training is due. First, mark your calendar when your recurrent training is due. This date is 24 months from the issuance of your initial remote pilot certificate or from your last recurrent training completion date. Staying on top of this timeline is crucial to avoid any lapse in your certification. Step 2. Access the recurrent training course. The FAA provides the recurrent training course online, making it convenient for remote pilots to complete the training at their own pace. The course is available for free on the FAA's website and can be accessed by first visiting the FAA Safety Team or FAAS Team website. We've included a link in the description below, but click it after finishing the video so you don't miss out on our other important information regarding recurrent training. Locate the recurrent training. Search for Part 107 Small UAS Recurrent Training Course. This course is designed specifically for certified remote pilots who need to meet the recurrent training requirements. Step 3. Enroll in the recurrent training course. To enroll in the recurrent training course, you may need to create an account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary personal information and create a username and password. Once you have an account, log in to the FAAS Team website. Find the Part 107 Small UAS Recurrent Training Course and enroll. This will give you access to all the course materials and the online tests. Step 4. Complete the training modules. The recurrent training course consists of several modules covering key areas such as regulations, airspace classification and operation requirements, weather, emergency procedures, and crew resource management. Step 5. Take the online test. After completing the training modules, you will need to take an online test. The test is designed to assess your understanding of the material covered in the course. Here's what to expect. Multiple choice questions. The test consists of multiple choice questions that cover the topics in the training modules. You must achieve a passing score of 100% to complete the recurrent training requirement. Before you panic, don't worry about a perfect score. If you do not pass the test on your first attempt, you are allowed to retake it. Be sure to review any incorrect answers and understand the material before retaking the exam. Basically, you can go back and fix incorrect answers. So as long as you don't give up, you will get 100%. Step 6. Receive your certification of completion. Upon successfully passing the online test, you will receive a certificate of completion. This certificate serves as proof that you have met the recurrent training requirement. Download and print the certificate of completion for your records. It's important to keep your certificate in a safe place and have it accessible. You may need to present it to the FAA or during an audit if requested. You should have it with you whenever you fly commercially. Step 7. Update your records. Finally, update your records to reflect the completion of your recurrent training. Log the date of the completion and other relevant details in your personal training records. While it's not mandatory to update your IACRA profile with each recurrent training, it's a good practice to keep all records up to date. Staying current on your recurrent training every 24 months is crucial for maintaining your Part 107 certification. Here are a few additional tips to ensure you stay informed and prepared. Monitor regulatory changes. Regularly check the FAA's website and subscribe to updates to stay informed about any changes in regulations. Join professional organizations. Consider joining drone pilot associations and organizations that offer resources, training, and updates relevant to your certification. Our Facebook community and YouTube channel are two we recommend. Participate in ongoing education. Take advantage of additional training opportunities and resources to continually improve your knowledge and skills. Maintaining your Part 107 certification through Recurrent training is part of being a responsible and professional remote pilot. By following these steps, you can ensure that you stay compliant with FAA requirements and continue to operate drones safely and legally. Remember, Recurrent training is not just a regulatory obligation, but an opportunity to refresh your knowledge and stay updated on the latest industry practices. Thanks for watching our video. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.